Differentiate the following with respect to x. We've got y is equal to arctan of 3x and y is equal to arcsine of square root of x minus 4. So if we've got y is equal to arctan 3x, this has to be done using the chain rule. So going through the procedure of the chain rule, if you let u be equal to 3x, so we change this to be u, then du by dx, if you differentiate 3x, you get 3. Then that means now that y is now equal to arctan u. And then in the previous video, I've shown you that du by dx will be 1 over 1 plus x squared. But this time we're differentiating with respect to u. So it will be 1 over 1 plus u squared. Okay, the chain rule says dy by dx is dy by du times dy by du by dx. This is the chain rule. So dy by dx will be equal to dy by du, which is 1 over 1 plus u squared, times du by dx, which is 3. Right, it was my invention to make u equal to 3x. So what I do now is I'll now replace it back in. So I now get the 3 now goes with the 1 to get the numerator, and now I get 1 plus, in brackets, 3x all squared. And then finally I can write down 3, the answer is 3 over 1 plus 3 squared, which is 9, x squared, which is x squared. Okay, for the second one, same idea, use the chain rule. So we let u be equal to the square root of x to the fourth, but as we're differentiating, it's probably better to write it as x minus 4 to the half. If we differentiate that, we get du by dx is a half x minus 4 to the minus half times minus 1. You should get into the habit of writing in the extra term here, otherwise you'll learn just to differentiate like that and leave out the last term. It's okay in this case because it's 1x, but if it was 2x, that would be 2. So just be careful, please. So that now becomes, rewriting it, 1 over 2 square root of x minus 4 using our rules of indices. You should be okay with your rules of indices. This now means that y is arcsine of u, and that's a standard result that I've shown you in the previous video, that dy by du is 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared. So dy by dx will be equal to dy by du times du by dx, using the chain rule. So dy by dx will be 1 over the square root of the u, which is, I'm sort of jumping a step here, so u, which is the square root of x minus 4, but that also has to be squared, times the differential du by dx, which is 1 over 2 root x minus 4. So expanding the bracket here, we're going to get a 2 from here. Right, when we expand this, we're going to get, when we square this, we're going to get x minus 4. Okay, but that will be in brackets, so we need to remove the brackets. So we're going to get minus x and then plus 4. If you're not sure, just pause the video here and just check that you know that that's correct. Then here we still got a x minus 4, and we can combine it under the square root sign because we can combine square root signs. And then finally, that will be equal to 1 over 2 square root of 1 plus 4, which is 5, minus x times x minus 4. So this has been a video to show you how to differentiate inverse trig functions using the chain rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. And you might be able to, now once you've been through this process, not to avoid doing this bit and be able to jump straight to this bit here. Okay, I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.